Okay, quick review of my new Star Seeker E55 Pro grinder. I got this from AliExpress for $165. It's a rising Chinese brand. Out of the box, metal build, very small in the house. Size very comparable to the Lagom Casa I have. Do a quick grind test. Check the retention. Got the noise level here. Very quiet grind. Ground seems very fluffy. One just got popcorn now. Let's put it back. Okay, with no hopper, no bellow, 17.6, 0.4 gram retention. Just not bad. Just pump out the remaining ground. See how much we got. Oh. Still got 0.3 missing, so just really gotta pump all those grounds out. Hey, 18. There you go. Nice. Almost no RDT. Still pretty good, 18 gram. I'll do some quick puck prep. Get ready for the shot using a Flare 58 here. First shot with the new grinder. Also using a Graph step down basket, 46 basket. So far it's been very good with this basket. Very smooth shot, balanced. Lock it in. Check the mirror. So I'm using a light roast today. What I'm gonna do is pre-infuse a little bit until I see the first drop, and let it bloom until 22nd, and then do a decline profile from like 8 bar decline. Okay, this is where I just let it rest and let it bloom a little bit. And go to 8 bars. It's down. Yeah, it naturally declined to 3 bars. Doing like a 1 to 2.5 ratio, so 18 gram in and 45 gram out. I speed up this process. I don't want this video to be too long. And here we got 45. Stop. And here's the shot. Looking pretty good. I did pull another shot on my regular Lagom Casa that I've been using for a while, just to compare with the Star Seeker E55 Pro. As you can see in the back, it's using a light roast from Backyard Beans here. A lot of fruity notes. So for the first test with a light roast, I think the Star Seeker E55 Pro did a pretty good job. There's a very small difference between that and the Lagom Casa 65. The Lagom Casa has lower RPMs and it tastes a little bit less harsh than the Star Seeker to me. But again, very small difference between the two cups. I think for the price below $200, Star Seeker E55 Pro does pretty good job even with light roast here. We'll do more video in the coming days on medium roast and dark roast and see how it will do. But yeah, thanks for watching.